From sleek condominiums to bustling mixed-use developments, student housing to historic renovations, our comprehensive marketing solutions drive pre-leasing and pre-selling rates up to 95% or more. Real estate development, especially for a mixed-use site like this, can be complicated, lengthy, and risky. With only this preliminary 2D site plan and these two conceptual renderings, key decision-makers, including investors, city officials, community members, and potential tenants, faced challenges in visualizing and comprehending the client's vision for the new development. The initial virtual tour offered a concrete grasp of the project, expediting efforts to secure community support and city approvals, significantly mitigating risks inherent in the early stages of development. To assist the client in targeting a specific anchor tenant, such as Sprouts, PIX enhanced the VR tour with additional detail and realism to showcase the optimized site configuration specifically tailored for Sprouts. Furthermore, PIX incorporated a sample unit interior into the multifamily complex, offering a precise depiction of the plaza view below, customizable interior finishes, and the convenience of instantly generating unlimited images suitable for your marketing needs by simply pressing the P key. Starting from the 3D model used to create the VR tour, which is accessible on all internet-enabled devices, PIX is able to rapidly create highly realistic, high-resolution renderings, as well as video walkthroughs and flyovers to rapidly deliver all marketing materials as affordable additions to the project. This final version was created once the latest designs for both the multifamily complex as well as the mixed-use site became available to depict its new amenities, including a dog park, pickleball court, a courtyard for socializing, and a private pool. Learn how PIX can help drive your pre-selling and pre-leasing excellence. Contact us at info@pix-virtual.com or call us at 281-299-3159.